Okay, guys, let's try this again. I don't know what's going on with my Facebook. I had my phone sitting next to me and it was reverberating into the nether region. So welcome, you guys. This is Wendy Cannin with Cannin Plannin. I'm excited to be jumping in with you guys today. We are talking about organization all through the month of February right here on my business channel. And then these are getting streamed to my YouTube as well. So if you're following me there, fantastic. We're excited to have you. And of course, if you find this information helpful at any time, please feel free to share it out, comment, or share your questions below. But I wanted to talk about today is organizing your desktop. Now, I know that many people are like, desktop. Well, if you use a desktop, you have a home-based computer that you are using, you are definitely going to want to get it organized. And so we're going to today talk about two different things that have to do with your desktop computer. We're going to talk about bookmarks, and we are going to talk about organizing your filing system. So let's head over. I'm going to show you. I can't show you everything because for whatever reason, it won't allow me to like pull up the different, hi, Pamela. It won't allow me to pull up the actual things in my bookmarks, but we can look at them together and I can tell you what's in them. So what I have here is I have created these bookmarks. So the first one you're going to see here says Facebook. Then I have Tula 12 Access because I'm a Tula 12 brand ambassador. I have all business stuffs, and then I have some planning blogs. It's really easy to add a bookmark. In fact, I will show you how to do that momentarily. But let me talk to you first about what you're going to find inside of your Facebook tab. So inside of my Facebook tab, and I'm just going to read you through a list of different things that I have. You won't be able to see this because it won't allow you to, but you get the idea. So you're going to see I have a folder for Facebook parties. And then within those Facebook parties, I have links to all of the open parties that I have going on so that I can go in and check on them. I can quickly go in and comment. I can build relationships with the guests in those groups. It's quick and easy for me to be able to do. Other things that I have in my Facebook tab is different groups that I'm an admin of. So we have our sneak peek group. I have my paid membership group. I have my VIP group. We have our team group. I have the homepage for Tula 12. I have the Tula 12 leader page, the brand ambassador group. I have different groups that I'm involved in. Excuse me, I have my workshop group that is there. So lots of different ways that I can go in and interact. I can go directly to that thing that I'm wanting to get to when I am working on my business, and I can quickly go through and see all the things. So you're going to see right here, Facebook. The next thing I have is Tula 12 Access. In my Tula 12 Access is direct link to my back office for Tula 12, and then a direct link to my personal website for that business. Then in my all the business stuff, right? It's real professional. It says all the business stuff. I have Zoom, Pinterest, my Canva, my blog site. I have ChatGPT. I have YouTube. I have my website, not my website, my Aweber, my email accounting. I have my Google Drive, PayPal, StreamYard, which we are watching right now. I have my other email account. I have Instagram, and lots of different things that I use on a regular basis. Then I have planning blogs. These are people that I have found lots of information from over the course of doing research, and I want to be able to go there quickly so that I can talk about other things that might be super important for my business, or if I want to do some resources for something that I'm working on. All right, let's talk about how we set a bookmark. One of the easiest ways that I've done that, let's just go in here. We're going to go to VI Planners. And let's say I have, we're going to go, let's just go to my home. You guys should get to see all the things. And let's say that I want to go to, let's see what's something that I can go to. Personal on Purpose happens to be the group that I'm involved in. Okay. So if I click on this, and I want to make this a bookmark, I'm going to go up to the top where there's a little star. And I don't know if you guys can see this on my end or not. Let me see if I can see that. Yes. Okay. So you're going to go where there's a little star. So there's the HTTPS and the address, and then you're going to go to the star. And in the star, you're going to name what it is. This says personal on purpose. And then what folder are you going to put it into? So I'm going to put it in Facebook, Facebook parties, all the business stuff, planning blogs, etc. I'm going to put it into Facebook, and then I'm going to hit done. And it's going to save that. I know you guys can't see that because it won't allow you to, but you can go into my folder, my Facebook folder, and now I have direct access to that personal on purpose, which if you guys don't follow these two ladies, Krista and Brooke, and you're in direct sales, you absolutely need to. They are the most amazing people. And I'm so lucky that, that I get to be a part of their group. So great people. If you don't go follow them, go follow them. This is their paid membership group, but they're both on social media, fantastic people. Brooke especially is on Instagram. Shout out to her, because she has some phenomenal stuff. So that's the first thing that I wanted to talk about today. Was I wanted to talk about the setting up bookmarks. Bookmarks have saved me time and money in such a way that when I go in to find something on Facebook, I don't have to scroll to find the next thing that I want to hop into and do some maybe social warm up in. I go directly to that spot, click on the link, and then I'm right in. The other thing that I wanted to share with you guys today is how to organize your files. And I purposefully left my files open and messy so that I could share with you guys how I do this. So I'm going to take this so that you guys can see big screen. And you're going to see kind of the things that I like to do. So this is over a weekend actually of planning and filing and holding things where I needed them to be. Okay. So now we're going to do some organization. You're going to see that off to this left-hand side, I have a couple of folders. So this says Cannin, Plannin, Graphics. If you go in here, this is all of the graphics that I use regularly. So my biopic, my copy of my logo, all those things for my team because we're the Harmony Heroes. You can see all of that stuff. The next is the Plannin place. These are all files that I use, such as my header, updated header, content plans, those kinds of things. Those are my paid membership. Then I have a sales album that I keep all the photos for things that I have going on in my sales album in my VIP group. And then this one is the most fun. So this is actually a year's worth of saving, so you guys can see all of 2023. So here is a file for January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December, and then some extra PDFs in there that I was able to download from Tool 12. Currently, I don't have a folder set up for 2024 yet. So we're going to do that. I'm going to show you guys how to do that really fast. So you go in here to where it says new, you're going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this Tool 12 2024. And we're going to call that good. So now I've created a folder. I'm going to right click that folder and I'm going to pin it to quick access so that I can go in at any time and be able to find that particular folder. I'm going to take my 2023 off of quick access because I don't need that anymore. And then let's see, there's a couple of other things I want to take out of here because I don't need them right this second. Okay. So we're going to start putting these things in a folder. Now, any of these things that I need quick access to this week, I do not because I've already used them. One and done. I'm done with them. I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of them and I'm just going to delete them. The next thing is I need to use this for an email that I have to write. So I'm going to leave that. This has already been posted. I can delete it. This is a zip folder, which I actually have opened down here. So I don't need the zip folder any longer. And then you can see that all of these things, so here, these three things right here can be deleted. These products right here, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All of these right here are new releases and they're for February. So you'll see off to the left-hand side there, I have a February 2024 release. I'm going to take that whole thing that I highlighted and I'm going to drop it right into that release folder, because those all have to do with releases and I want to be able to know where they're at a later date. All of this stuff is stuff that I already posted, so I can take this off. These were videos from last week. I can take these off because I don't need them. So this is what it takes to, excuse me, to go through and clean out your folder. You create a folder and you just start dropping things. I don't need this or any of these things right now. So nothing here. Oh, to here. This is party theme ideas. That was part of our February training. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to drop it into the February 2024 folder because I need it for that. And these are all the rest of the stuff is stuff that I don't need. These folders are these things are just random stuff that I need to take care of. So this February 2024 release can go in 2024. Yes, I'm going to replace the files because it's updated. And then I'm going to take January 2024 since that month is over, and I'm going to put it into 2024. Okay. So you can see kind of some different ways that I've gone about doing my organization. It's super helpful. If you are overwhelmed, I would say set a timer and just work on a little chunk at a time. Set up folders, drag and drop things into folders. If it's super important, you need to use it all the time. Fantastic. If you're really not sure where to start, then I would take everything that's on your desktop and drop it into a February clean out 2024 file. And then you start with a completely clean desktop. And you can go into that folder at a later date and set a timer and go through it and decide what needs to be completed, moved, deleted, etc. But don't get caught up in, oh my gosh, I have to organize all the things. Start where you are and move forward. So if you're in a spot where you're really overwhelmed, make a folder, drop all the stuff in there, take time to think about it later. If you don't ever get into that folder over the course of the next 30, 60, 90 days, you probably didn't need anything that was in there to begin with. Save it just in case, go through it when you have time. But start where you are. So go in today, set up a February 2024 folder. And while we're talking about February 2024, let me show you what I have in my folder so you can kind of see how I have it organized. So in this folder, I have team graphics, so monthly graphics. I have team meetings. I have regular party graphics. I have events, calendars, content plans, headers. Oh, that's not even in the right place. Let's move that to where it goes. That goes here. Yes. I've got some graphics that I needed. The new joins, these are like my header. Anytime that I use a header, I have it listed here. There are specials, our team map, and then I have graphics, that PDF that I just made, and then the new releases. So here in the new release folder, these are all of the releases for February 2024. So if at some point I want to go back and make a graphic and I don't have this added somewhere, I can easily go to February 2024 folder, grab that out and move it where I need to. Over the rest of this month, we're going to talk about 2 other organization systems. One is Canva and the other one is Google Drive. Both of those are going to be really fun. I cannot wait to share with you all of the things for organizing. It's more than just your paper planner, friends. That will get you organized in today, but being able to find all the things and utilizing your digital tools is super important as well. So thank you guys again for joining Cannin Plannin. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them below. And if you found this information helpful, as always, please feel free to share it out. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, friends.